iframe component types. It's not an iframe component, new file. Find path. So export const find path. It takes position, direction, and points. And it should give tiles to this function. Right? Yeah. Tiles, position, direction, points. Okay. Well, let's see. So I'm just gonna repeat this find path. What it's going to do is let path equals to array. Right? Yeah. And return the path at the end. So that's the list of the paths that he can take with the points that he has given. Okay. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay. If points is greater than 1, greater than or equals to 1, then he can move forward. Trying to move forward. To move forward. Yeah, he knows what I'm trying to do. So next style would be tiles and find tile that matches if tile position x equals to current position. Okay, so no. Move forward. X plus direction. Exactly. Okay, so this kind of changes, switch direction. Case, not the direction. Direction should be north south if he is facing south. Break. If he's facing south, the Z should be increase. Tile position x equals to position x, and tile position z equals to position z plus. It's actually plus because it's south. South is positive. X and z return true. Return true. If it returns true, hit the next tile. What if it's going down? It's the same thing, right? No. Jumping down can be possible. So, let's see. tile position y minus position y make as diff, and if diff is 0, no, it's 0, so it's climbing up. It's 0.5, more than 0. I would say 6. Return false. If so, this would allow you to, but it doesn't really. Okay. Next, so F next tile, right? Switch break and no. No return. Okay, so let's find a return false. That means X isn't, or Y isn't, Z isn't. Then return false. So if it covers, then let's compare the difference, and then if diff is to return false. If diff is below minus, I don't know, 1, then return false. Okay, so, and then return true. I think this is good. Yeah. So if next tile, then you can definitely move. So find path, right? Yeah. Find path tiles, next tile position. Yes. And then the direction. Endpoint minus 1. No. Consumed point. Okay, so consumed point, let's define it. So if it is a normal case, consumed point is 1, but because it's moving forward, right? But if diff is so switch diff. I see what it is then else. This is what I should do. I should do else if diff it's just do you know what I'm doing? I'm bad at math. Else if diff is greater than 0.3, then it is consumed point is 1.5. No, 1.5. Yeah, what did I say? No, it's 2. Else if diff is 0.1, consumed point is 0.1 is 1.5, I would say. And else if diff is bigger than 0.1 or minus 0.1 and pass through. Else if diff is 0.3, consumed point is 1.5. Yeah. Else if diff is bigger than 1, then consumed point is 2. And if diff is 1 meter, you can't. Well, you can jump down the 1 meter, but it's kind of a bit too high. False. And that path. Pass. Push. Next time, position. So this means there's a path to just single step moving forward. And consumed point is consumed point. No, but if it's a 2-second time, then so you should calculate the consumed points total. Let's see. You have to pass the consumed points total. But if didn't get one, it's consumed points total. If you didn't get one, that's 0. Consumed points 0. Consumed points total. Consumed points total. Consumed points total is consumed points plus consumed points. So the path is to get here. Previous path is also path. MGR consumed path is path push move forward. So previous path is the history of the steps that you've made, and consumed points total is the total of the consumed points that you took. And return. Okay, so this is this. Pushed and path is previous path and return path. This has any type? Yes. Okay.